students, how are you all?
Assalamualaikum sir. My name is Assalamualaikum sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व
Assalamualaikum.
बरकातुहू। वालेकुम अस्सलाम व
Assalamualaikum.
रहमतुल्लाहि। So, students, take out your maths number line book. In last class, we have started chapter 4, shapes and patterns. Okay. So, last class I have told you about plane shapes. So, can anyone tell what are plane shapes? Yes, Mohammad Arsham.
Sir, plane shapes are 2D shapes.
Good. Any other? Arsham?
Shapes are 2D shapes.
Yes, plane shapes are 2D shapes. Okay, we can say flat shapes also. Okay, plane shapes are also called flat shapes. Okay, the shapes which can be drawn in on the sheet. We can draw on whiteboard. Okay, we can draw on floor. Okay, the shapes which can be draw on board, whiteboard, on floor, on sheet are called plane shapes, or we can say flat shapes. And the plane shapes are 2D shapes. Okay, 2D means they have 2 dimensions only. Okay, I told you that plane shapes have 2 dimensions. Are 2D shapes. Why these are 2D shapes? Yes. So plane shapes are called 2D shapes. Why these are 2D shapes? Because it has 2 dimensions. They have 2 dimensions. Like some examples of plane shapes are square, triangle, okay, rectangle, circle, oval. Okay, like these. These all are plane shapes, or we can say flat shapes, or 2D shapes we also can say. Okay, let's take this one. This is, can you tell me what shape it is? Yes, student, what is this?
Rectangle.
Very good. This is rectangle. It is a plane shape, or we can say it is a flat shape. Okay, or it is also a 2D shape. It has 2 dimensions. Okay, that is length and breadth. Length, this one is length, the longer side. Okay, longer side is called length, and this, the shorter side, is called breadth. This is length and this is breadth. Okay, only two dimensions are there: length, the longer side, and the shorter side, breadth. Okay, it has not thickness, it is not having any thickness. Like square, it is also a plane shape. Okay, it is also having two dimensions. You can say this one is breadth and this one is length. Okay, and this is also not having thickness. We can only draw this on whiteboard, on blackboards, on floors. Okay, on sheet. I told you about the corners and sides also. Okay, so let's see this one. This is a square. Okay, if you talk about the sides of this, how many sides are there, students? Yes, how many sides and corners are there in this plane shape? Very good. It has four sides. Okay, four sides. One, two, three, four. It has four sides. And how many corners are there? Four corners are there. Okay, what are corners? I told you that where two lines meet, so line is meeting this line and this line is meeting at this point. Okay, so this is called corner. Okay, corner, corner. Okay, and this is side. Okay, where the lines meet, okay, that is our corner. So this line and this line is meeting at this point, and this line and this one line is meeting at this point. Okay, this one is, these two lines are meeting at this point and these two lines are at this point. Okay, so there are four corners, 1 2 3 4. So it has four sides and four corners. I told you about a rectangle. Can you tell me how many sides and yes, students, how many sides and how many corners are there in rectangle? Yes. Very good. So four sides are there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 sides are there. And how many corners? 1 2 3 4 corners are there. Okay, And student, one more thing I want to tell you, this square is also a type of rectangle. Okay, a square is also a type of rectangle, special type of rectangle. Okay, we also can say a square is a rectangle. Okay, so square is having 4 equal sides. Okay, means we can say this rectangle has, square is a rectangle having 4 equal sides, all sides equal. Okay, so this is also a rectangle, a special type of rectangle. Okay, and I told you about triangles also. Triangles having how many sides? Yes, how many sides and corners are there in triangle?
Triangle is having. Triangle has
Yes, Ashar Imtiaz, you are not able to see my screen. Ashar, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
You are not able to see my screen. Whiteboard.
Yes, sir. It is coming black.
Black. White is coming black.
Yes.
Okay, I am sharing again. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm talking about triangle.
Yes, sir.
How many sides and corners are there?
Sir, there are 3 sides and 3 corners
Very good.
in triangle.
So there are 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, 1 2 3, 3 sides and 3 corners. This one is corner 1 2, second corner is this one, and third corner is this one. So 1 2 3 corners are there. Okay, this is also a plane shape. Like this circle, this is circle, and circle is having 0 side, 0 sides and 0 corners. Okay, circle is having 0 side and 0 corners. If we talk about the line, how many lines are there in this circle? 1 line. Okay, line is 1, but if we talk about the side, so side will be 0. Okay, no side and no corners. Like this oval is also having, this is oval. Okay, this is also having 0 sides and 0 corners. Okay, these are some plane shape which I taught you in my last class. Student, can you tell me some examples of square? Yes, Harish Kamar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, tell me some object which have a square shape. Yes, beta.
Boat.
Boat. Yes, Kosi has given correct answer. Tile also can have a square shape. Okay, so this is a tile. Okay, and this one, this is the shape of a square. Okay, I'm going to tell. Student, can you see this tile? Tell me the shape of this tile. Yes, very good. This is a square shaped tile. Okay, why it is a square shaped tile? Because all sides are equal. Okay, all the sides of this are equal. This, and this. All four sides are of equal length. So this is an example of square. Okay. And if you see your clock on the wall, okay, that may have a square shape. Okay, that is also an example of clock is also an example of a square. And what is the shape of carom board? Have you seen carom board? What shape it has?
Yes, square.
Yes,
Carom board
yes. Carom board is also having a square shape. Okay, the shape, the face of the carom board is a square shape. Okay, or the shape of the bread you must have seen. Okay, so the shape of the bread is also square. Okay, and the shape of the dice, is also a square shape. Okay, can you tell me some examples of the shape which having rectangular shape, the object which having rectangular shape? Yes, Arshan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me any object which is having rectangular in shape, which have rectangular shape. Yes, beta. If you see a yes, others can also tell. I am unmuting your mics. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
Window. Mobile phone has rectangle shape.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Mobile is also having a rectangular shape. Okay. And if you see the door of your room, door is also having rectangular shape. Okay. Because one side is longer and the other is shorter. Okay. So that is rectangular shape. If you see your whiteboard is also in rectangular shape. Okay. And tell me the shape of your notebook or book. What is the shape of your book? Very good, very good. Yes, this the surface of the book is having rectangular shape. Okay. And I'm showing you something. Can you tell this one? What is the shape of this tab? Yes, students. Yes, very good. Why this is rectangular in shape? Because all sides are not equal of this. Okay, this is the longer side of this tab, this one is the longer side. Okay, so this is our length and this is shorter side, this is breadth. Okay, so this side is not equal to this side. Okay, and this having how many sides are there? One side, two, three, third side is this one, and this one is fourth side. Okay, so four sides are there and they all sides are not equal. Okay, so it is a rectangular in shape. Okay, it is rectangular shape. Can you tell me what is the shape of your study table? Yes, the top of the table is rectangular shape. Okay, like this. Can you tell me the shape of plate? Yes, yes, yes. So plate is in circular shape. Okay, plate is like this. This is plate. Okay, and this is the shape of circle. And can you tell me some other examples of circle? Mahiba Mustafa is given correct answer. Ball is also having circular shape. Fatima Suleiman. Yes, Tulunur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, better. Can you tell me any shape which is having circular shape? Any object which is having circular shape? Circular shape.
Wheel.
Yes.
Fan and wheel.
Yes, very good. Very good. Afshin. Yes, Afshin. Unmute your mic. Yes, tell me another example of circle shape.
Ball.
Yes. Any other? Tell me other.
Ring.
Yes, very good. Student, this is ring. And what shape it is? This ring having the shape rectangular shape. Oh, sorry, circular shape. Okay. This is an example of circle. Or you can take this example also, sun. Okay. This is like sun. It is also having a circular shape. Okay, students. And if you see the clock, yes, student, tell me what shape this clock is having. Yes, this is the shape of circle. Sara Fatima has given an example wheel, is correct. Fatima Suleiman has given example sun. Sun is also having circular shape. Now tell me some example of oval shape. Yes, very good. This is the oval. Okay. Yes, egg is an example. Any other? Yes. Yes, beta. Yes, plate also can have this one, or you can see leaf. Yes, watermelon. Yes, very good. Leaf is also having. This is like the shape of leaf. Okay. So this is also having oval shape. Okay. This is also having oval shape. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Okay, watermelon is An example of oval shape. Now I hope you all have understood this plane shape, about plane shapes. Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir. Sir,
Yes, Mahiba Mustafa has given another example. Balloon. Balloon is also having a shape of, is having oval shape. Kiwi. Yes. Okay, students. So let's move on another topic, which is about lines. So the next, have you done question number 3, students? I think question number 3 is left. A dash has 3 sides. A dash has 3 sides. We have to write a shape, okay, which is having 3 sides. So can you tell me which shape is having 3 sides? Yes, student, question number 3, fill in the blanks. A dash has 3 sides. So which shape is having 3 sides?
sir.
Ye-
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. So we will write triangle here, okay? Triangle. Okay, triangle will come in this blank. A dash and dash have equal number of corners. Yes, which which two shapes having equal number of corners? Yes, tell me.
Sir,
a dash and dash have equal number of corners. So if you see in square and in rectangle, so both is having 4 corners. Okay, 1 2 3 4, here also 1 2 3 4. So a square and rectangle have equal number of corners, so here we will write square, okay, and here rectangle. A circle has dash sides. How many sides are there in circle? Very good, very good. So a circle has a 0 side, okay, or you can say no side, right? No side, okay. All sides of a dash are equal. Yes, Abdul Ahad Ahaq, unmute your mic. Abdul Ahad Haq. Student, time is going to finish, so meeting is going to end. After ending the meeting you can rejoin the meeting, okay. I will share the link again, then you have to join the meeting again, okay. Abdullah Siddiqui. Yes, Abdullah Siddiqui.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
All sides of a dash are equal. Which shape is having all sides equal?
All sides equal. Square.
Yes. Good. So here a square will come, okay. All sides of a square are equal, okay. The opposite side of a rectangle are? Aman Sharif, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the opposite sides of a rectangle are?
Four sides.
No beta, the opposite sides of rectangle are?
Square.
I told you in the previous class, last class, that opposite sides of rectangle are equal, okay. Look here,
Yes.
this side, the opposite side of this one is this, okay. So the opposite sides are equal here, okay, and this side is equals to this one side.
Market ऐसे 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 ये स्क्वायर सब साइड बराबर है। देखिए ये